What sneeze? What? What you want? What you want? What you want?
Say the T word for him.
Treats? Treats? You want your treats? Treats?
Treats? That sounds exciting. That's what he likes. He likes his treats. He goes, quit teasing me. Perfect. He's trying to put his face in the... He thinks there's something in your hand. Did you get one out of the bag? You are too silly. Okay, give him his handful. Or his 5 or 6 pieces. Is she teasing you? God. Talk about an impatient cat. Get the bag out of the way. There you go. What is that? Okay, just give him the rest.
You wait. God. Yeah.
There, you had your treats. No, sorry, no more. I'm done. And this is when he wants his food. Good boy, Sneeze. You're such a good boy.